Malwarebyte is not responding. The ghost in the machine. So when security software fails to launch, your system is left exposed to active threats silently without warning. Why it happens? Over 60% of launch failures stem from software conflicts or corrupted installation files, not deep-seated malware. The good news, most cases are resolved in minutes with the right fix. No advanced technical skills required. So the quick win, run as administrator, right click the malware icon and select run as administrator. This bypass permission bottleneck the silently block application from launching. The chameleon tool, Malwarebytes include a built-in self-defense utility that disguises and launches the application, especially useful when active malware is intentionally blocking it. Try fix one first, it resolves the majority of non-launch issues in under 30 seconds. Resolving deep conflicts. Audit your security software. Multiple active antivirus program trigger startup failures. Boot into safe mode. Restart Windows in safe mode to isolate malwares from background drivers and third-party interface. Then attempt to launch. So when all else fails, start fresh. Uninstall. Remove the current malware installation complete via control panel. Restart, reboot your system to reduce, proceed, and lock up files. Reinstall down the fresh copy from the official malware website and install. Pro tip, keep your security suite updated regularly to maintain compatibility with evolving Windows architecture and prevent future launch issues. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys agree with me. If you enjoyed, if you have any question, concerns, let me know. Guys, happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.